Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Toyota Tacoma double cab, the TRD 4x4. And that V6 is sounding good, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. Okay, see it does have painted alloy wheels. This one also has a sunroof, and you see that it does have a bed cover. Power sliding back window. Tow package right there. The bed looks good. See, it's got fog lights up front. Okay, and if you look right here, you'll see that it has a JBL sound system. $10,428 miles on this vehicle. You got your stereo controls, your push to talk, trip computer toggles. As you come over here, you see that it is equipped with navigation. So you can go ahead and just go to navigation and it'll fill the entire screen. Or you can jump over to audio, which you see that it does have Bluetooth. Okay, and then you see that it does have AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, USB, and auxiliary would open up if that was connected. You see the backup camera. Here's the backup camera. Okay, bounce on back home. And also go to the apps, of which you see that you do have apps for traffic and weather, eco and maintenance. And as you come down, you'll see that it is equipped with heated front seats. Okay, and as you come down here, you got push button start, 2- and 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, and then your power sliding back window, comfort controls, another 12-volt power outlet, and then you have your key fob, cup holders, your shifter, more cup holders, and a handbrake. And then there are additional ports down inside there. And as you come up here, you're going to have your controls for your sunroof. That about wraps it up for this Tacoma on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the rear. It affected the rear center. The airbags did not deploy. There's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.